You're so plastic.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yo. Rah, rah, rah. Ah! Fire, come on, man. Do better than this. Ah! Yo, bro, like 2 days ago, Taras gave us this track. I mean, like, what? Bro, Taras gave us this track, and I'm way too late back. I didn't even notice that this man gave us a track, bro. An absolute track, man. Okay, look, we're gonna react to Taras Stanin, right? I feel like I'm drowning. 2 feet cover, bro. I've seen a comment the last time saying, hey, they missed seeing the Jamaican flag in the background, bro. Look, I am sorry, but my room is now occupied with someone, with my brother there, so he's there, right? But don't worry, guys. You guys will see more of my Jamaican flag in the background with Bob Marley representing, right? But guys, without further ado, blah, blah, let's dive into Taras Stanin's world. Oh, wow.
You keep dreaming and dark scheming, yeah you do. You are poison and I'm pounded, is the truth. All my friends think you're vicious, and they say you are suspicious. You keep dreaming, time scheming, yeah you do.
Yo! Blah, 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 blah. Oh my god! Yo! Remarkable, bro! Yo, I was starving for this man's music. But I'm like 2 days late, man. 2 days late! And I just get the chance to hear this masterpiece. Bro, come on, I'm lacking, man. I'm lacking. I promise y'all, I would not be lacking again. Trust me.
I feel like I'm drowning. You're killing me slow, slow, no. I feel like I'm drowning. You're so plastic.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Buka, bro. This man is a complete masterpiece. He stands out so much so that no one is ahead of him. He's leading the pack, bro. Bro, this man is like, right, a leader of the new schools when it comes on to beatboxing. There is no absolute way, and there is no absolute one right now can beat this guy when it comes on to beatboxing, bro. Bro, I am not sure, I'm not familiar with no more beatboxers, but he's the best right now. In second place, we have his friend, right, the improver, right? But bro, regardless of that, my G, this man is a beast.
And it's tragic just for you. I don't know what they're about you gonna. When your books start, they're bleeding, and your friends stop believing. You're so sick, and that's sick just for you. I feel like I'm drowning. You burden me, burden me.
This is sick! Oh my god! Look! Yo! Yo, this is terrific, my bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. He's just speed up like that. Yo, no way, dog. No way, no way, no way, no way.
Holding me down. You holding me, holding me. I feel like I'm trapped by life. Okay.
Yo, this man is Superintendent Escalidocious. Oh my god, it's been a while since I've used that word. Superintendent Escalidocious, bro, he's superb. Superb and also fantastically fine, man. He's refined. Yo, beatboxing for this guy is so easy. Oh my gosh, bro.
Just when you're not around me, I like okay. Just when you're not around me, my life okay. Just when you're not around me, my life.
Yo, it's when he went in his bass box like that. Bro, that's so dope. Bro, it is not every man can go deeply in their bass box like that and get it so correctly and perfect. It's not everyone, bro. This takes practice and time and effort, man. Put some respect on this man's name, bro.
Okay. Just when you know the realm, man.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yo, Stars, my bro. You have done an incredible job and I appreciate it. Guys, look, if you guys enjoy this reaction, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on the video, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. And I'm sorry again, I didn't have the chance to show you all my Jamaican flag in the background, but next video, I'll try my best to give you guys, okay? I'll see you guys in that particular video next time. Peace.